What's going on, Warriors? Man, I gotta be honest. Somebody has been seriously suggesting to me in my last video to react to something called Happy Tree Friends Sniffles Smoochie. Now, I've seen one Smoochie yesterday, and it was Flaky Smoochie. Man, oh man, just by seeing that as a Smoochie, like, what's gonna happen to Sniffles? And I'm not gonna lie, people, I'm actually a little nervous to see what's gonna happen to the poor little guy. Let's, I don't know, let's just hope I can watch this video without feeling so bad for him that I end up stopping the video. Well, I'm actually pretty nervous to see this, because as you guys probably know, Sniffles is my absolute favorite character of all time. Anyways, if you say so, whoever suggested this, let's go ahead and check it out. Hold up. Let me just get this on the beginning here. Check the volume. Okay, here we go. Let's check out Happy Tree Friends Sniffles Smoochie. Here we go. Here we go. Sniffles! Long time no see. Okay, that's a rocket backpack? What's gonna happen here? What's gonna happen here?
Huh? Huh? Oh. What?
What's he doing? Don't do it, Sniffles. Don't do it. Don't do it. How dare you for suggesting this?